Hello friends, today we will discuss Pareto economics. It is a concept derived from the principles of Wilfred Pareto, who was an Italian economist and sociologist. This rule primarily revolves around the Pareto principle, which is also known as 80, which suggests that in many systems, roughly 80% of outcomes are result of 20% of causes. So, key ideas in Pareto economics are first is Pareto principle, which is also known as 80. This principle is a framework for understanding the disproportionate distribution of resources or outcomes. For example, we can say that in wealth distribution, a small portion of the population, that is 20%, often controls a large portion, that is 80% of wealth. In business, 20% of products may generate 80% of revenue. Economic efficiency, that is known as Pareto efficiency. Pareto economics emphasizes efficiency where resources are allocated in such a way that no one can be made better off without making someone else worse off. A state of Pareto efficiency is considered optimal but does not necessarily ensure equity or fairness. So, application in economics and policy. Optimality works in economics and policy making by identifying the areas of inefficiency in resources allocation, informing public policy decisions to ensure that any change benefits society without harming others, recognizing inequalities and addressing them where needed. Examples of Pareto economics in practice is wealth inequality. The principle is observed in real world wealth distribution where a minority owns a majority of assets. Business strategy. Companies often focus on the 20% of customers or products that drive 80% of their profits. Economic growth. Policies might be designed to maximize benefits for society as a whole. Acknowledging Pareto trade offs. Pareto economics provides insights into how resources and outcomes are distributed, offering tools to understand